Hey there, folks. Welcome back to another epic adventure, and today we're stepping into the jaw-dropping world of the Bugatti Luxury RV, a true masterpiece that fuses automotive legacy with next-level travel luxury. Let's kick things off with the exterior, which is an absolute head-turner. This RV rocks a bold red finish that screams sophistication and power, paired with sleek aerodynamic lines that blend style with performance. The iconic Bugatti grille with its signature horseshoe design takes center stage up front, while razor-sharp LED headlights bring a modern edge. With a multi-wheel setup and a sturdy build, this beast promises rock-solid stability, and those large tinted windows hint at the plush interior waiting inside. The sculpted bodywork, accented with sleek black trim, creates a dynamic look that's guaranteed to steal the show wherever you roll. This isn't just an RV, it's a mobile work of art, redefining luxury travel with cutting-edge engineering and bold design. Let's head inside and check it out. First up, the bedroom, and holy cow, it's a game changer in luxury and innovation. Rocking a striking red and black color scheme, this space oozes class. The oversized bed is decked out with plush velvet bedding and crisp white linens, promising a cozy night's sleep after a day on the open road. Huge panoramic windows let you soak in breathtaking views of the landscape, making you feel one with nature. The hardwood floors, paired with ambient LED lighting along the base, create a warm yet modern vibe that's perfect for kicking back. A sleek desk with an ergonomic chair doubles as a functional workspace for those who need to stay connected. The high-tech control panel on the wall hints at top-tier climate and entertainment systems, while glossy red cabinetry and mirrored accents add a touch of elegance. This bedroom is a 5-star hotel suite on wheels, showcasing Bugatti's dedication to comfort and luxury. Now, let's swing by the living room, a plush lounge that takes mobile living to a whole new level. Drenched in a bold red and black palette, this space is built for chilling and entertaining. Ultra-comfy leather sofas beg you to kick back, with vibrant throw pillows adding a fun pop of personality. A massive high-definition TV takes up one wall, currently blasting vibrant visuals, making it perfect for movie marathons or game day. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the room with natural light, offering killer views of the outdoors that keep you connected to your journey. Glossy black cabinetry and a sleek glass coffee table dial up the modern vibe, with subtle LED lighting along the ceiling and floor giving off a futuristic glow. The dining area, with its red upholstered chairs, flows seamlessly into the lounge, creating a versatile spot for meals or hangouts. This room blends the elegance of a high-end penthouse with the practicality of an RV. Pure luxury in motion. Now let's check out the kitchen, a chef's paradise that's as high-tech as it is stunning. Wrapped in glossy red cabinetry, this space is a foodie's dream come true. Top-of-the-line appliances like double ovens with digital displays and a slick induction cooktop from premium brands guarantee pro-level cooking performance. The marble countertop adds a touch of class, paired with a modern sink and a fancy water dispenser with LED accents that scream sophistication. A small window lets in natural light, while smart storage and a clean, minimalist layout keep things practical for life on the road. A couple of wine bottles and a knife block on the counter hint at gourmet possibilities, and the nearby seating area with a stylish chair makes it a great spot for socializing. With ambient lighting and glossy finishes, this kitchen is the perfect mix of luxury and function, setting a new standard for RV dining. Finally, let's step into the bathroom, a legit spa-like retreat that wraps up this incredible RV in style. Decked out in glossy black with bold red accents, this space feels like a luxury getaway. The roomy glass-enclosed shower boasts multiple jets and a rainfall shower head, delivering a spa-worthy experience. The sink, set in a sleek marble vanity with LED underlighting, oozes elegance, while a large backlit mirror makes the space feel even bigger and reflects the high-end design. A modern toilet and plenty of storage keep things practical, with purple ambient lighting adding a cool futuristic vibe. The carbon fiber textures and glossy finishes highlight Bugatti's obsession with detail, balancing durability and style. This bathroom brings 5-star luxury to the road, ensuring a pampered experience no matter where your travels take you. And that's the full tour of the Bugatti Luxury RV. From its show-stopping exterior to its over-the-top interior spaces, this isn't just about hitting the road, it's about living large, with unmatched style, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're chilling in the bedroom, hosting in the living room, whipping up a meal in the state-of-the-art kitchen, or unwinding in the luxurious bathroom, every detail screams excellence. Bugatti has knocked it out of the park, creating a mobile masterpiece that redefines luxury travel. If you loved this tour, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay classy.